Just a quick update to the 100 to 1M challenge. So what I've done is I've created the EA tracker now, and what this is going to do is it's going to keep track of all the EAs that we've loaded on the accounts. And starting off with, we've got the FX Blue Trade Copier software and the first EA that we launched yesterday on the demo account for a forward test. And especially those two are the trade copier software EAs, because they're classed as EAs as well. They're actually EAs softwares that we have to load, so they have to be included in this as well. And another thing is we need to create unique magic numbers identifiers, so that when we do analysis or anything like that, we can keep track of them, and so that they don't conflict with each other as well within the system. So the sender doesn't have a magic number. Sender A doesn't have a magic number field, but the receiver does. And so I'll put the number 1 on that because that was the first one. And number 2 would put as the first strategy the EA Gold ICT Block Expert. That's number 2. Like I said yesterday in the previous video, that some expert advisors won't have the magic number field. So in that case, we can't do nothing about that. But the ones that we can, we put the magic numbers, and also the ones that don't have magic numbers but they have comments, we can actually put the number on the comment. So we can put the a unique identifier on the comment. Like for example, if there's no magic number, we could put maybe for the next EA we put, if there's no magic number field, we can put it in, and there is a comment, we can basically put it on the comment name, that in the comment we can put number 3, something like that, so we can identify as well on our tracker. Okay, so another thing I wanted to add is that, say if you're following this challenge, so by the way, this is the 100 to 1 million automated trading time, where I attempt to grow $100 capital to 1 million using automated trading strategies. And I'm sharing all my actions and steps and documenting everything, so that anyone who wants to participate, follow and start their own challenge alongside me, totally free. And I'm sharing everything basically. So if you do follow the challenge, I'm also going to include all the set files as well. So look, these are the set file names I've put. So if you, and this tracker as well, I'm going to make it available for the people who are participating in the challenge, for my subscribers, so that you can keep track of everything and you can download all these set files. So what I'm going to do actually, I might actually add another field here. Add another field for the download link for the set files. Set file download, and then you can simply download the set files, these set files, and you can download them onto your server or wherever, and then you can just load them up if you're following the challenge. So I'll put the links to these downloads here. I'll do that after the video, and that way you can download them. So that's that. What am I doing? I might just move that here like that. Yeah, make it closer next to it. Makes sense, innit? Alright, so yeah, so we'll download. I'll set the downloads. I'll add the download links for these set files so you can download them. So yeah, that's the one update. Basically, these are just housekeeping updates, organization updates that, you know, help us manage the whole challenge nicely, better way. So what I've done as well, from the previous video, obviously we if you followed the previous video, we on the video you'll see we set the channel to trade copy. I've changed it now to reflect the current changes, so that's the current update now. I've set everything in a way that basically we can manage it properly, because I'm looking at scalability. So in future, obviously, we're going to add some more EAs, and we want to customize settings and risk management and all that. So we're going to have to add some more instances of this trade copier. So obviously, we're going to have to have different channel numbers. So that's why I've renamed it to like our trade copier 1, meaning that this is a reverse strategy, reverse strategy setting, and I put 1 at the end. So if we add another reversing strategy, maybe we'll change to like set it to our trade copy 2, something like that. So just like little things like that will definitely help keep everything organized nicely throughout the challenge. So that's that basically. So quick update on the first EA that we launched on the forward test. So to be honest with you, it's not taking any trades yet. I've checked the settings as well, making sure everything's on, like the algo trading button and everything on this EA. Look, that's the EA here. I mean, it come up with some things here like break of structure on the chart and all that. But there's nothing, no trades, but it was like it's doing some activity, like it's monitoring the market in some way with all these things on the chart, which is a good thing. But so far it hasn't taken any trades. So this is day one. This was a test. This was a test trade, so it's not it took a trade. It's just a test trade I did, just to test that it was doing the it's working with the copying software. But anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on this one, see how it goes. I'll give it about a week or something, and then maybe I'll see what I want to do with this one. But yeah, I'm working on another one now. We're going to work on another EA, and this is going to be the famous Dark Venus. If you've heard of Dark Venus, it's the most downloaded EAs on the MQL marketplace. It's a free EA, but the thing with this, let me just show you actually. Okay, so I'm in the mql5.com marketplace. So this is the EA I'm working on next, Dark Venus. It's a free EA, yeah, and it's the most downloaded EA on MQL marketplace, and it also apparently blows up accounts as well. Because at the end it just blows up accounts. It goes well, and then at the end it just blows up accounts. And that's what's been the case for a lot of people I've seen online. However, I'm working on engineering a set file. I'm working on right now actually. Basically, I'll show you something. 1 second. So this is I'm working. Look, obviously you can see a drawdown, very big drawdown here. But I'm working on something that hopefully will work. Actually, let me show you 1 second. Because yesterday I was playing around with it and I managed to create a set file that was actually looking good on the graph. And I can't seem to find it now. So I'm trying to recreate the setting what I did yesterday. And then I'm going to go with that one. Oh, I've just loaded that set file that I was working on yesterday. I managed to save it. So I'm not, yeah, let me see. But this was on Euro USD. I was testing this on. But this right now I'm running on same set file on gold. So let's see what comes up. 1 year test file. So you can do some drawdown here, but it's not that bad. Look, this one here, look, it went to 1988 from a $2,000 capital. Considering gold right now, like yesterday I was checking the markets, on one single day went up to, like, for a micro lot, 0.01 lot, it went up to like 178 on a single day on a micro lot. Just imagine that. So that's the drawdown on a single day. So considering that, that's actually not bad. I mean, this is look, what's this, 1911, so it's going down to 1911. So 1911 on a 2000 account, it's still like you're looking at 10% drawdown, which is still not bad. 10% drawdown in here. Let's see. Okay, it's just finished. Let's see what comes up. I mean, look, it's just finished the test. So $29, that's on a, was it 1 hour time frame. $29 profit. Profit factor 2.70, which is not bad. Win rate is 87%. Drawdown 6% drawdown. It's not bad actually, not bad, but obviously didn't make much profit with this one considering it's a $2,000 account. So yeah, that's what I'm working on at the moment. I want to see if I can get this a bit more profitable with low drawdown that meets my 5 check criteria. So 1.5 profit factor, 50% win rates at least. Drawdown should be below 20%, and we want a graph to be going nice, upwards curve, things like that. So let's see, I'm just going to work on this, and if I get something done today, a test set file, then I'm going to launch that one as well under the forward testing, and we'll basically go from there. So we're going to add a second strategy, and this is going to be part of the 5 strategies that I'm looking at. This is going to be the scalping strategy, the goal one. This particular one is going to be the scalping strategy. So yeah, let's see how that goes. All right, so that's the update for now, and yeah, that's it. So if you're interested in learning about the challenge, or you want to join, participate, it's completely free. As I said, I share all my set files, action steps, and everything, just like this video you're seeing. And yeah, so my goal is to grow a $100 capital account to 1 million with automated trading strategies. And yeah, so we're going to see how that goes. But if you're interested, you can go to 100-1m.com and register free, and then you can follow along and yeah, just basically follow or even participate yourself in your own challenge with $100 account. And yeah, so that's how we're doing it. All right, thanks. And basically, yeah, I'll put a link in the description as well.